So I was thinking about this one when I was getting ready to do the driver's side. I just finished the passenger side, and looking at the videos for removal, I decided that since these things had these clips that can be broken off rather easily, I decided to try and go from the other end, where there was basically no clips and you just had the pressure, the interlocks where there's more to flex. So like that one and these two that are up here, they seem a little bit longer and they latch onto that so that they could flex more. And the outside basically just doesn't have anything. It's over here. So I started from this end, pried it out, and worked up there. And the middle ones gave way and it popped off like that, and it was still hooked on the last two. So I put the pry tool in under there to try to pull the whole thing that way, and it came loose. I wouldn't say easy, but it felt a little bit safer than trying to get a tool under there, because you can't really navigate something around those curves to get in there to release that. So that seemed to work a little bit better. Now for the underside piece, I had trouble with it on the other one, so I'm probably going to have trouble with it on this one, but I'll give it a shot.